everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today is a very exciting day. It is the day in which we unbox my October Stitch Fix. I just first of all want to give you guys a huge thank you for making my Stitch Fix unboxings some of the most popular ones on my channel. You guys are awesome. So today is my October Stitch Fix box. As previously mentioned, I'm a little upset because someone I think tried to get into the box. It's been damaged, so we'll see what that means. But for those of you guys that don't know or haven't seen my other Stitch Fix videos, Stitch Fix is a clothing subscription service that they can send to you once a month, bi-monthly, once a quarter, or literally whenever you decide you want a box. And you get a stylist that works with you to pick out certain items for you and send them your way. And it's great. There's a $20 styling charge that you can then apply on all of the clothing that you want to keep, which is great. And it's awesome. You can send all the clothes back that you don't want for free. So it's wonderful. You guys, you get 5 items in every box that you get. So starting off with me, the first thing I see on the top here is something very cute and very different from what I normally would try on. But this is interesting. So this is a, what are these called? Banana leaf palms? I don't even know. But this is a really cute tank top with like kind of a high neck style, kind of low on the sides, which is cute. It's very sheer. I don't even know if you guys can tell how sheer it actually is. But this is the Alice Blue-Havana halter blouse in green size small. Again, the nice thing that I do like about Stitch Fix is they send me things that I would never try on in person, like if I was in a store, so it kind of opens me up to an opportunity to try things that, again, I wouldn't normally go for myself, like a Havana tank top. This is really cute. I'm going to do, as per usual, a try on at the end of everything so I can kind of let you guys see what it looks like on, because I know when I hold it up like this, it's kind of hard to tell. But yeah, this is really cute, and I'm excited to see what I think of it. Next, we have another green item, which I love me some green in the fall, so I'm excited about this. Oh, what is this? This is something, oh, okay, so it's like a pullover. Interesting. Okay, so this is a, hang on, like kind of a jersey feeling-esque, like kind of baggy jersey high-low sweater pullover. This is actually really cute, like kind of a workout style type top. I actually really like this. I don't really have anything like it, and I feel like this would be so nice to just throw on and run out the door if you're running errands or doing something like that. Again, it's a little bit heavy feeling. It's thin, but it also feels like it's really good quality. This is the Mix by 41 Hawthorn Kallon brushed knit hoodie in olive size small. So yeah, this is cute. It does have the hood, obviously the black ties. I like this actually. That could be cute. Okay, next we have something that I'm probably not as excited about. I can just tell from the material or the like look of the fabric. What is this? Oh, interesting. Okay, so this is a dress. And I can probably tell you first off, just by the style of the fabric, I'm probably not gonna like it. I'm not really into, what is this called? Not knit, but like, not distressed. Oh, this is gonna bug me, but you guys know what I'm talking about. Like this kind of stripedy material that kind of just looks interesting. I don't know. This is just a long dress, like very straight, very kind of almost turtleneck dress kind of style. This is the Market and Spruce Vega knit dress in dark purple size small. I will say, again, not normally something I would go for, but I'm willing to try anything once. So who knows? This could actually be cute for work, running around, maybe with some cute fall boots. Ooh, I have some brown boots that actually look really cute with this, depending on how long the dress is, because that makes a difference. Okay, next we have, what is this? Pants? Oh, interesting. Huh. I don't know how I feel about these. So these are, I don't even know what you call these. What are you? What are you? Where's the tag? Oh, here we go. This is the Liverpool-Linnett Capri skinny pant in navy size 0. Okay, let me just show you what I'm looking at here. So it's these skinny I guess Capri, which might be interesting because I have really long legs, like skinny, stretchy back pants. These are interesting. I don't normally wear this kind of stuff, but I feel like I would like it if it didn't make me look like I've got a little poochy stomach. Does that make sense to anyone? This is interesting. They're the Reese crop leggings, if you guys can see that little tag. So I'm gonna try these on. I'm intrigued. This is something different. I thought they were jeans. They're not. Okay. And the last thing we have, oh gosh, okay, this is like a very unique box for me, I feel like. This is, oh, this is kind of cool. Interesting. Okay, so this is a blazer in a very cool, like olive minty, not minty, like evergreen color with like the rolled up sleeves that have the stripes. Totally honest, I don't know how I feel about the stripes, but they're kind of sewed that way, scrunched like that. More of like a wool knit material, almost like a jacket, because I don't think there's buttons in the front. Are there? No. What are you? What are you? This is the Skies Are Blue Aza Knit Blazer Dark Green Small. Interesting. They're trying to make me look so professional, guys. Like, look out, world. Watch out. This is actually kind of cute. I actually really like this. And normally I'm very basic when it comes to blazers. I stick with my blacks, stick with my black. I don't go and wear anything other than black. So again, outside of my comfort zone, this is actually really cute. I really hope this actually fits because I don't know, sometimes blazers on me can look kind of boxy and weird and I have bigger chests, so we'll see how it fits my martini body. But yeah, so that's exciting. I actually really love everything that I tried on. And now comes the fun part of the try on. So let's jump into that. Hi friends. So full transparency, this is actually being filmed like a week after the clip you just saw. Hence my hair is a bit darker, shorter, and full transparency, here we are. So this is obviously the sweater pullover kind of situation, the army green. I actually really like this. It's got a cute hood for, you know, hooding around. I don't know. Yeah, I actually really like this. It's really comfortable. I love the sleeves with the stripes on the side and the long. I like when sleeves are longer to kind of cover up my hands, especially in this time of the year. It's fitted pretty well, but not super tight. It's got kind of the high-low situation. I almost wish this was cut down a little bit lower, but I'm not super mad at it. So I like this. Full transparency, this is the dress turtleneck situation that I unboxed a little bit ago. I'll be honest, here, I'm gonna back up so you guys can see. I'll be honest, this is not my favorite. It's too tight up here at top, which makes me just look really, really square. And it's just not my favorite. It comes up too high on the side, so I feel like it makes my boobs look super low. Sorry if that makes you uncomfortable, but we're talking reality here. Yeah, it's just not my favorite. The style of it I'm not actually super mad at, but the color and just the fit just, I'm not, not for me. No thank you. We're doing the last 3 items as a little bit of an all-together outfit. So this is that palm leaf sheer tank top situation. It's not my favorite if I'm being totally honest. So this is very flowy. There's just a lot of extra material. I think the fit of it's fine, but again, it just makes me look square. Story of my life. The pants I've actually worn already once before, total transparency. They're the Capri cut style, which I think on my legs looks really good. They're really snug, which I like. They're very comfortable, and the material is kind of like a felty suede vibe, which I actually really, really like. So, not sold on the shirt, pretty sold on the pants. And then we also have the blazer that came in the box. which I will show you right now. It's not as fitted as I would have liked, but I'm not mad at that. This is the blazer. I actually really like it. It's really different from anything else I have in my wardrobe. And I mean, even this all together, like, it's a look. It's not my personal favorite look, especially with the shirt, but I feel like someone could pull this off as a full outfit. Again, I just don't know if that person is me necessarily. But I actually really like this blazer. Again, what I love about Stitch Fix is I get things in these boxes that I never would try on my own. So this jacket, for example, I always go for a standard black blazer, always. And I just really like this. I like the cuff on the end with the different lined detail. I think that looks really cool. I think the fit of it's pretty nice. It comes in just enough, like you can see here on the side, that I think it does give me a shape without looking totally square. So yeah, this I'm a pretty big fan of. So that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching me unbox and try on this month's Stitch Fix. Let me know down in the comments below which item was your favorite, and as always, down in the description bar, I'll let you know which stuff I end up keeping, what I send back, you know the drill. And yeah, other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed it, and subscribe to see more of my face, and I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye!